Get yourself something round to draw around. I'm using this glass here, so just put it in the center of the page and draw around it in pencil. Now I'm going straight for pen, but you can carry on in pencil. We're going to do the beak. Add on the beak like this. We're going to be doing the eye, which is just a little circle like that, and I'm going to leave a tiny little bit white in the top bit. From this point here, I'm just going to draw a line. It's going to be the markings and the wing. Coming all the way down, it's going to go past the circle, just to there. And then now, all that you have to do is just follow what we did before, follow most of the circle all the way around until we get to here, and then it joins up with the wing. You're going to follow the circle round here, all the way around to there. Now for the other part of the marking, so just a line across, a scoop like this, and back. Don't forget to pause the video if I go too quickly and rewind. We're now going to do the little feet. Just add on 3 little lines. And the same here. And last but not least, the tail. I'm going to raise the pencil marks. Using a brown pen, I'm just going to colour in all this part. And also the tail. Now I'm going to use a red and just this part. And here's our finished robin. Check out our whole playlist now of super easy animals.